Want to supercharge your Wix website with 24/7 customer support and instant answers? Let's add an AI chatbot. First, head over to the Wix App Market directly within your Wix editor. In the search bar, type in Chatbot. A bunch of chatbot apps will pop up. Choose one that suits your needs, focusing on features, pricing and user reviews. I am going to use this one. Click Add to Site. Wix will then prompt you to grant the app necessary permissions. Accept them to install the chatbot onto your website. Now, you'll be directed to the chatbot's configuration page. This is where you personalize your chatbot, customize its appearance to match your brand, set up initial greetings, and predefine common questions and answers. The more effort you put in, the better it will serve your visitors. Once you are happy with your chatbot's configuration, hit Publish in the Wix editor. That's it. Your AI chatbot is now live and ready to assist your website visitors 24/7.